Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Lamborghini Aventador represents the absolute peak of raw, emotional supercar engineering from Lamborghini. This car is not just designed to move fast, it's designed to create an unforgettable experience every single time the engine starts. From the very first glance, the Aventador looks aggressive, sharp, and unmistakably exotic. The low, wedge-shaped body sits extremely close to the ground, giving it a fighter jet stance. Every line and angle serves a purpose, improving aerodynamics and helping the car slice through the air at extreme speeds. The massive front air intakes, sculpted hood, and razor-thin LED headlights create an intimidating presence that instantly tells you this machine is built for performance. The driving experience is intense and emotional. The steering is extremely precise, allowing the driver to feel every movement of the road. The suspension is firm, designed for performance rather than comfort, but it provides incredible stability during high-speed driving and cornering. The Aventador also features multiple driving modes, including Strada for normal driving, Sport for more aggressive performance, and Corsa for maximum track performance. Technology also plays a major role in making the Aventador perform at its best. Advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and intelligent traction systems work together to ensure maximum control. Despite its extreme performance, the car remains stable and predictable, giving drivers confidence even at high speeds. Another important aspect of the Aventador is its exclusivity. This is not a car you see every day. It represents status, engineering excellence, and passion. Every detail, from the design to the engine sound, is created to deliver emotion. This is a car built for enthusiasts who want more than just transportation. They want an experience. Inside the cabin, the Aventador continues its futuristic theme. The interior feels like sitting inside a cockpit rather than a traditional car. The driver is surrounded by premium materials, including leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information about speed, RPM, and performance settings. The center console features aircraft-inspired switches, including the iconic red flip cover that hides the engine start button. Starting the car feels like launching a jet. At the heart of the Aventador is its legendary naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This engine is the soul of the car. Unlike turbocharged engines, this V12 delivers pure, instant power with no delay. The moment the driver presses the accelerator, the engine responds instantly, producing over 750 horsepower. The sound is one of the most emotional parts of the experience. At low speeds, it produces a deep mechanical growl, but as the RPM climbs, it transforms into a screaming roar that echoes like a Formula One car.